Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
You're starting right away. Log into the account you'll change and make sure email or phone is verified. Once done, open the account menu and go to Settings and Privacy, then Settings. You need access to username under General Account Settings. On mobile, tap Personal Information. Make sure you know your current username or numeric ID so you can compare. This step prevents accidental changes and lets you confirm the account before proceeding. Don't skip verification or alternate account checks. Once in username, type the new handle you want and watch for the availability indicator. Facebook allows letters, numbers, and periods. Avoid special symbols. Usernames usually need at least 5 characters. If the name is taken, try small variations or add numbers. Keep it memorable and compliant. When it shows available, click Save or Edit and Facebook will ask for your password to confirm. Make sure to read the prompt. Some accounts can only change usernames a limited number of times, so choose carefully. After saving, open your profile to verify the new username appears in the URL and profile links. Update any linked sites or signatures. If the change fails, clear browser cache, try another device, or wait 24 hours. Facebook sometimes enforces cooldowns. If you see a policy rejection or a message about unusual activity, review the naming rules and remove disallowed characters or contact Facebook help through the Help Center. Lastly, document the change so team members or integrations can update references.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.